Hey everyone, this is Anant, and I hope you all are doing well and you are healthy and safe. I recently read a book, Speed Reading: How to Double or Triple Your Reading Speed in Just 1 Hour by Justin Hammond. I just finished it today, so I'm gonna summarize it in front of you. The tricks might be helpful to you, and you will definitely be able to relate with this stuff. So let's start. So it says the misconceptions. What are the misconceptions? The first one: some people are born with it and some are not. So this is false. The truth is, it all comes with practice. You have to train your brain and your eyes to read through and increase the speed. And the second one, I prefer to enjoy my books, not rush through them. So no, it's false. The truth is, it doesn't matter. There is no relationship between um, not enjoy going through running through the text and you're not enjoying. On contrary, you will enjoy it as you are able to finish the same amount of text in the less time. So the benefit is you will save your time and you will enjoy a lot more things. And the third misconception is reading fast means understanding less. No, it's not true. With practice, when you read and when you practice the speed reading, you will comprehend more and you will be able to comprehend faster than before. And the fourth misconception is I just can't do it. No, that's false. You can do anything. You have the potential. You can do anything. So what are the benefits? The first one is that I have mentioned earlier: you will save time and energy. And the second one, you will keep your mind alert. um, like for example, you're reading something and you have to consider the elements that are not distracting you, and you're not distracted by any of the things. Yeah. So you have to keep your mind alert while you're reading to understand more and comprehend more. The third benefit of it is you will comprehend and remember more, that I mentioned this. So the most important thing while you read and while you practice speed reading, the important thing is subvocalization, which sometimes comes between or comes in front of you as an obstacle when you try to improve or increase the time speed reading time. So subvocalization means it consists of 3 steps. The first one, mind sees the written letters, right? Let me give an example. You've been learning the things by when you hear a new word and you picturize it in your mind, and then you comprehend it, what it is, then you understand it. So we've been learning like this. So the subvocalization includes 3 steps. The first one is mind sees the letters. When you're reading something, the first one, you see a word that might be tree, the tree, and the second one thinks about the sound those letter present, right? So then you maybe if you are pronouncing while if you're speaking while you are reading the text, then you will read that, you will pronounce the text. But if you're not reading, you're just repeating the text in your mind, you're reading in your mind, then you repeat that, you produce the sound in your mind. That's the third step. Means consists of connecting that sound to the meaning. Then you comprehend it, what that like giving a picture to your brain, like what is the structure of tree. And then you these are these 3 steps decreases your speed reading. So in speed reading, we eliminate the second step, that is thinking about the sound, thinking of the sound and sound to the picture step. We eliminate it. In this, we directly jump from seeing the word and comprehending it. And so what are the bad habits or some of the things that prohibits you from increasing your speed. The first one is you must consider physical and mental conditions before you read. You might be tired, you just ate a lot, and then when you eat a lot, the lot of blood goes through your stomach and to help in digestion. So you will feel might be a bit lazy, or when you're tired you're not be able to focus more, and you have things on your mind. If you have things on your mind, you will not be able to focus, that's obvious. And you're in uncomfortable position. You might be lying on a sofa or something like that, or you're just too comfortable. Yeah, might be lying in bed, you're just too comfortable reading before you sleep. Then you will probably fall asleep instead of reading that. So other things are distracting physical environment. First, noisy environment. Second one is visual distractions. Visual distraction as in you're sitting in a crowded place, or your TV is on, or your electronics like TV, Facebook, or other devices that being operated by any other person in front of you, or just you're just getting distracted by the screens. So there's a statement I want to mention. Reading silently is easily 5 to 10 times faster than reading out loud. So yeah, this is the statement given by the author Justin Hammond. So there are some tricks I want to mention. I would like to mention. The first one is move your eyes. Consider moving your eyes left to right and top to down in motion. So you must not distract yourself while you're reading. You must be focused. You following this left to right, top to down. And the second one, you may use pencil or pen and point through the text right of the word, and move it through the text as you read. So it helps increase your speed, and prevents you from being distracted from other texts. And like some people may get distracted by the other text, like previous text. You might not understand the previous text, or you just try to see the following text, the next paragraph or something like that. So you may use index card or something like blocking device to block the previous part that you have read, or the following part that you are going to read, so according to your distractions. So a third one is identify your bad habits and yeah, focus on improving one at a time. So you must consider, you must focus on what are the bad habits of you, and you have to improve one at a time. So the fourth one is pick a suitable reading environment here, and read phrases instead of words. So there's a little example I want to mention. There is a sentence. I went to the store and bought eggs, but I forgot to get the bread I needed. So you have to break this sentence in the phrases instead of reading it the individual words. So the phrases would be: I went to the store. Second phrase, and bought eggs.